So are you someone who wants a reasonably large display, reasonable specs, reasonable portability and reasonable battery life? You know where we're going with this, right? Meet HMD's second product in the tablet space, the Nokia T10 tablet. So we have been using this tablet for a while, and here are our first impressions of the Nokia T10 tablet. First, let's quickly unbox the product and see what we get in the box. As usual, we get a quick start guide, a 10-watt charger, a Type-C cable, and of course, the Nokia tablet. Starting with the design, the tablet has a polycarbonate back, which is to be expected at this price range, but all in all, it feels well built. The grip texture on the back makes the tablet easy to hold when you are consuming content or working. You get volume buttons on the right and a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top for those who want to go the wired route. There is also 32 GB of storage on board, and you can expand it further to 512 GB with a micro SD card. Up front, you get an 8-inch IPS HD display, and the first thing you will notice is a thick and black bezels all around. I think this is a kind of compromise that you have to make when you are making an affordable tablet. Getting past it, consuming content on the tablet is pleasing, and the viewing angles are also good, with no major color shifting noticeable. Although we wish that brightness was higher, as a bright sunlight the screen can seem a bit dull. The dual speakers have decent output, but you would be better off connecting a pair of earphones while watching a movie or a show. So moving on to the performance side of things, the Nokia T10 tablet comes with a Unisoc T606 processor, which is made on a 12nm process. The Unisoc T06 is an entry-level octa-core processor whose performance is comparable to a Snapdragon 660. And if we talk about the real-world use, the tablet is of course slow to respond, animations are jittery, and there is a lag to be found almost everywhere if you simultaneously use 2 or 3 applications. The 3 GB of RAM does not help it either, although it can handle casual browsing and YouTube videos with relative ease. What the tablet lacks in hardware, it makes more than up in software, as it comes with Android 12 out of the box. So what you get essentially is a pixel-like experience. There is also little to no bloatware found on the tablet, which is good. Nokia is also promising 2 years of OS upgrades and 3 years of security patches, which will give this tablet a longer lifespan. The cameras of the Nokia T10 tablet are mediocre at best. You get an 8-megapixel rear and a 2-megapixel selfie, and it's best to avoid them as the images are very grainy with average details. And in terms of endurance, the tablet packs a 5250 mAh battery pack, which is more than enough to last a whole day and then some more. You can get around 2 days if you casually browse or watch a few episodes every day. You get a 10-watt charger in the box, which takes a fair amount of time to charge the device. Priced at $11,799 for the Wi-Fi model and $12,799 for the LTE variant, the Nokia Tab 10 is a reasonably priced tablet that can do lightweighted tasks with ease and focuses more on users who are wanting an affordable tablet without spending too much. So on that note, if you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Gadgets Now YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.